Hey, let's take a look at this one. I won't go all the way through and solve this one, but we'll just set it up. All right. Hey, what is the mass of a baseball that has a kinetic energy of 105 joules and is traveling at 10 meters per second? Well, mass it might be a little larger than what we'd expect. Okay, but hey, let's take a look at this. Okay, so first step is, of course, our picture. So we end up having our baseball here. Put stitches on that. Okay, and let's see. It's energy, kinetic energy, 105 joules. Sorry, I guess I should call that kinetic energy. Sorry about that. Energy kinetic is 105 joules. Okay, and that thing is traveling, we'll say this direction. Remember, direction isn't that important for kinetic energy because it is a scalar, not a vector quantity, and especially when we square the velocity term. If it has a positive or negative, it kind of just all disappears. Okay, hey, so 2, what are we trying to find? Hey, in this case, we're trying to find mass. Trying to find mass of the ball. 3, what are we given? Hey, we're given the velocity of 10 meters per second, and we have a kinetic energy of 105 joules. Okay. It's a, let's see, it's a kinetic energy problem. Mass doesn't really enter, whoops, I'm sorry, not mass. What is it? Gravity doesn't enter into this. Okay, and for our relationship, okay, it's the same relationship that we've had before for kinetic energy, that our energy kinetic is 1/2 times mass times velocity squared. Okay, and 5. To solve this, I'll set it up as a physicist would, and you can end up following this. Okay, hey, so if my kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 times mass times velocity squared. Remember, physicists would tend to use symbols. I'll multiply each side by 2 to clear the fraction. That'll cancel that. Oops, and that, yes. Okay, so I have 2 times the kinetic energy is equal to mass times velocity squared. Okay, I want to get mass. I want to get mass all by itself, so I'll divide each side by velocity squared. Those will cancel over here. Hey, so this ends up being a little more straightforward than we would find with that problem where we had to solve for velocity. We just have 2 times the kinetic energy times the velocity squared is going to be equal to the mass. And notice the unit, our mass is going to be in kilograms. Go ahead and follow that through and then solve that for yourself.